Bangkok Heart Hospital. Started out as a heart center and expanded to Bangkok Heart Hospital, specialized in cardiac and thoracic care, offering quality and precision treatment. Our doctors are highly experienced in their respective fields, covering all of cardiac and thoracic diseases. We take care of you like family, from the young to the elderly, from diagnosis to treatment to a complete restoration of your health. Using innovative and state-of-the-art medical technology and equipment. We can accommodate inpatients in cardiac wards and modernized cardiac intensive care unit. Our multidisciplinary team consisting of doctors and nurses can help establish individualized and precise treatment plan. Our team of medical technicians and other supporting professionals stands ready to serve you with Thai hospitality. Moreover, you can rest assured that our medical evacuation service, when required, can safely transfer emergency and critical patients by air, land, and sea. You can trust the quality of our treatments, as we are entirely committed to providing medical services with highest degree of effectiveness and safety. We aim to become your #1 heart hospital. Bangkok Heart Hospital.